Hello friends, me Sachin Thakkar and today we are going to start most important MCQs of BCom Sem 6 Auditing 2. In this video I have put direct answer instead of option. So let's start. Our first question, the qualified report of companies does not contain following. Answer is the fact that auditor has not received his fees. Second question, dash is a statement of collected and considered facts. Answer is report. Third question, which of the following is not correct as regarded provisions of Companies Act for statutory report? Answer is the statutory reports must be sent to members 30 days before the statutory meeting. Fourth question, the profit that is to be distributed among shareholders as a prescribed rate of dividend is called. Answer, divisible profit. Fourth question, to which of the following act is the auditor expect to address his report? Answer is 1956 Companies Law. Sixth question, which of the following is not required to be considered for investigation in case of suspected fraud? Answer is qualification of director of the company. Seventh question, which of the following is not included in the clauses of memorandum of association? Answer, the rights, liabilities, dividend rights of various type of shareholders. Eighth question, which of the following items are not included in operating expenses? Answer is land. Ninth question, unpaid dividend should be transferred to a special unpaid dividend account after days of declaration of dividend. Answer is 30 days. 10th question, according to the term investigation implies an examination of accounts and records for some special purposes. Answer, Taylor and Perry. 11th question, current year profit of a company is rupees 4 lakhs. Calculate the amount required to be transferred to general reserves if the company decide to declare dividend on share capital. Answer is 20,000. 12th question, to which circumstances Elena audit report can be given? Answer, proper books of account are kept as required by law. 13th question, if the auditor has given a qualified report, the following consequences may result. Answer, auditor has to resign. 14th question, if the auditor has a given qualified report, the following consequences may result. Answer, the board director of the board of director have to give reply to such qualification in its board's report. 15th question, which of the following is not included in the guiding principle of issuing bonus share? Answer, there must be a gap of more than 1 year between two bonus issues. 16th question, which of the following statement is not correct? Answer, dividend cannot be declared from the profit prior to the incorporation. 17th question, which of the following differences between auditor reports and auditor certificate is correct? Answer, certificate is not addressed to anybody, but the auditor's report is addressed to shareholders. 18th question. When the dividend is less than 10% of paid on capital, then profit transferred to general receivers. Answer. No amount needed be transferred to receivers. 19th question. The profit of sale of assets is known as. Answer. Capital profit. 20th question. Which of the following is not included in the provision for issue of shares at a premium? Answer. For issuing shares at a premium, a special resolution must be passed in general meeting of the company. 21st question. If the auditors has a given qualified report, the following consequences may result. Answer. Board of Directors have to give reply to such qualification in his board report. 22nd question. To which of the following parties in the auditors expected to address his report? Answer. Shareholders of the company. 23rd question. Companies Act requires the auditor to give his report to the member of company on certain matters. Which of the following is not included in the above? Answer. Every document which is attached to profit and loss account. 24th question. While conducting audit of forfeit share, the following item is irrelevant among the items to which the auditor should pay attention. Answer. Whether all the provisions of MAPL's auto as regard for future are complied with. 25th question. Which one of the following point is not relevant while conducting an investigation on behalf of a creditor for a bank granting loan? Answer. Carry out in detail the valuation of stock and other assets of the prospective borrowers. 27th question. Which of the following matter is not true as regards auditor's certificate? Answer. The auditor is required to issue auditor certificate every year as in case of auditor's report. 27th question. According to section 208, the percentage of dividend and capital should not be more than. Answer. 4%. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer. The term investigation implies an examination of account and record for some special purpose. 29th question. Can the security premium be utilized to convert party paid up equity shares into fully paid up share as bonus? Answer. No. 30th question. To which of the following parties is the company auditors expected to address his report? Answer. Central government.